Number 1, CPVC pipes. Number 2, coupler. Number 3, elbow 90 degree. Number 4, elbow 45 degree. Number 5, reducing elbow. Number 6, equal T. Number 7, reducing T. Number 8, cross T. Number 9, reducer. Number 10, bushing reducer. Number 11, reducing bush. Number 12, union. Number 13, end cap plain. Number 14, end plug threaded. Number 15, male adapter plastic thread, MAPT. Number 16, female adapter plastic thread, FAPT. Number 17, female thread elbow, brass insert. Number 18, male thread elbow, brass insert. Number 19, male adapter brass threads, MABT. Number 20, female adapter brass thread, FABT. Number 21, inline ball valve. Number 22, push fit BV ball valve. Number 23, single union BV means ball valve. Number 24, tank adapter. Number 25, Y strainer. Number 26, flange. Number 27, plant flange. Number 28, neck face flange. Number 29, concealed valve. Number 30, concealed valve with hand wheel. Number 31, circuit testing plug. Number 32, circuit testing plug N. Number 33, elbow holder. Number 34, pipe clip. Number 35, pipe clip N type. Number 36, pipe clip C type. Number 37, hex nipple. Number 38, hole repairing coupler. Number 39, bend 90 degree. Number 40, bypass bend. Number 41, stop over bend. Thank you.